You put something in my mind, not sure how you did it or even why. One look at you and I'm not myself. You're something I've never felt. Take it back, I can't keep away to your perfect figure and your pretty face. Don't